There are many modern personal budgeting tools available today that can make managing your finances easier and more streamlined. Here are some examples. Budgeting apps. There are many budgeting apps available, such as Mint, PocketGuard, and YNAB, which can help you track your spending, set financial goals, and create a budget. Spreadsheet templates. You can also use spreadsheet templates, such as Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, to create a customized budgeting tool that suits your needs. Online banking tools. Many online banking platforms offer budgeting tools that can help you track your spending and manage your finances. Expense tracking software. There are also various expense tracking software available, such as Expensify and Zoho Expense, that can help you track your expenses and stay within your budget. Personal finance blogs. Many personal finance blogs offer free templates and tools that you can use to manage your finances, such as budget templates, savings trackers, and debt payoff calculators. These modern personal budgeting tools are designed to make managing your finances easier and more accessible, no matter what your financial situation may be. With a little research and effort, you can find a tool that works for you and take control of your finances.